This is C. Lakshmi here. நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா ஒர்க் எனர்ஜி மெத்தடில் சில ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ யூஸ்வலி ஒர்க் எனர்ஜி மெத்தட் ஆர் ஒர்க் எனர்ஜி ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணலாம், எங்கெல்லாம் அது சூட்டபிள்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோர்ஸ், velocity, displacement. இந்த மூணு கான்செப்ட் இருக்கிற இடத்துல we can apply this work energy equation like F into summation of F into S is equals to m by 2 into v square minus u square. So the summation of F na enna the forces acting along either horizontal direction or in vertical direction. So S is nothing but distance and m is nothing but mass of the blocks. Either if we have two blocks, in the sense we can apply this equation in two different blocks. Okay, so v is nothing but final velocity and u is equal to initial velocity. So this is the work energy equations. Okay, we can apply this equation in any kind of problem where force, velocity and displacement is given. Okay, so with this equation we will proceed the problem with the given data. Okay, here we can be able to see the particular problem, that is two blocks of weight 200 Newton and 100 Newton are connected by a rope passing over a smooth pulley as shown in figure. Find the acceleration of the block and the tension in the rope when the system is released from the rest. இங்கே நான் எழுதியிருக்கேன் u is equal to 0. Why I have written like this? In the sense, any system when it is released from the rest na, where we get u is equal to 0, no issues at all. Always put u is equal to 0 whenever the system is released from rest or starting from rest. So solve using work energy equation method, that is we can use work energy equation in this problem. So the problem is concerned two different weights with unequal weights, that is 200 Newton and 100 Newton, which is hanging over a frictionless pulley. In this, 200 Newton can move towards downwards and tends to move towards downwards. எதனாலன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா just because of its more weight. So since it is having a more weight, it can move towards downwards. As a result, the block B, whose weight is equal to 100 Newton, can move towards upwards. This is the formula. This is the concept of the problem. So we'll move on to the block A. As if now we can consider a block A as a 200 Newton. So since only two blocks are there, it is moving towards up and downwards, I can utilize the lift motion concept over here in the case of work energy equation. So we all know the work energy equation is equal to summation of forces into S is equals to m by 2 into v square minus u square. So since the block is moving towards upwards, the block 200, we have considered a block 200 now. The block 200 is moving towards downwards. Thereby, see, usually lift motion na நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், when a lift is moving towards downwards na, just because of its weight, therefore w minus t னு நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம். When a lift is moving towards downwards na, when an object is moving towards downwards na, w minus t இல்லைங்களா. So we can use this application over here. So w minus t into s formula m. மாஸ்ங்கிறது என்னன்னா actually mass of the block. இங்கே வந்து weight of the block தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, that is 200. We have to convert this weight into a mass category. So அதனால் நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், 9.81 டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் in order to convert this 200 Newton as a kilogram. Okay, so then u is equal to 0. Why? Because the system is released from rest, therefore u becomes 0. Thereby I get the equation over here. Yes, 200 s na ulla multiply பண்ணிருக்கேன், 200 into s minus t into s. I can frame this equation. I just simplify this equation. 200 divided by 2 into 9.81. When I simplify this form, well, I'll get 10.193. So this is the equation which I got it from the block A, that is for 200 Newton block. Similarly, we have to create another equation for the block B, whose weight is equals to 100 Newton. Okay, so ஸோ இங்கே 100 நியூட்டன். இந்த 100 நியூட்டனுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கிரியேட் பண்ணோம். See, this 100 Newton tends to move towards where? Upwards or downwards? Yeah, upwards. Since a block 200 is moving towards downwards, block 100 can be moved towards only upwards. So when a block is moving towards upwards, in the sense, we have to write a formula like T minus W. So this is it. So T minus W. அப்புறம் மற்ற எல்லா ஃபார்முலாஸும் நான் அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Like dot S m by 2 v square minus u square. Here also we have u is equal to 0. Got it? Here again mass to be in terms of kilogram. Thereby I convert mass, that is weight, 100 Newton weight இருக்கு. So the weight Newtonல இருக்கிறதுனால I need to convert into kilogram. அதனால divided by 9.81 போட்டிருக்கேன். So this equation has been simplified like this. T into S minus 100 into S. Again I simplified this term. I got 5.1 p square. So totally I have got this equation. This equation is not 1, sorry. This is equation 2. Okay. So with this equation, 2 equation, we have to solve in order to get the value either T or S. ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு தேவைப்படுறது. So we have to find T and S. So என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, either you can divide equation, both equation 1 and 2, or you can subtract. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in order to find T and S. Okay. So நான் இங்க என்ன மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா, I just divide equation 1 divided by equation 2. So listen here. So equation 1 is 200s minus t into s, which is equivalent to 10.19 v square. அதே மாதிரி here we have like equation 2. So in this equation 2 நான் cross multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். எப்படின்னா like 200 minus t, again s நம்ம கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா, we'll get from this equation, when I take s constant, like I will get 200 minus t into s ன்னு நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா? So equal to this divided by, again divided by என்ன கிடைக்கும்? t, நான் இங்க s காமனா எடுத்தாச்சுன்னா t minus 100 into s. ஓகேங்களா? Yes, now let me come to the point. Like 200 minus t into s divided by t minus 100 into s. இங்க நான் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா, I can cancel this s value here. Thereby 200 minus t divided by t minus 100 is equals to, இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸையும் நீங்க டிவைட் பண்ணினீங்க அப்படின்னா you will get the answer like 1.99. இங்க வந்து என்ன ஆயிடும்னா, like v square and v square with gets cancelled மா. இந்த v square இந்த v square cancel ஆயிடும். So you will get this equation like this. So from this இந்த s இந்த s cancel ஆயிடும். ரைட்டுங்களா? நான் முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி. Thereby நமக்கு என்ன values வரும்னா, 200 minus t equal to this 1.99 into t minus 100, because see இந்த இடத்துல 200 minus t divided by t minus 100 is equal to 1.99 வரும். So cross multiply பண்ணா you will get the answer like this. That is the 200 minus t இங்க இருந்திருக்கும், divided by 100 actually இங்க இருந்திருக்கும். Okay, 100 minus t இல்லையா? So இந்த 100 minus t தான், or t minus 100, whatever it may be, sorry, t minus 100 Yes, I'll show this. Yes, t minus 100 equal to 1.9. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணலாம், this equation can multiplied with 1.99, we'll get the equation like this. 200 minus t is equal to 1.99 நால உள்ள நீங்க multiply பண்ணினேன்னா 1.99 t minus 199 you'll get it. So this equation can go like this. We'll move on to the next step as usual. Okay, yeah, totally 200 minus t this here equal to 1.99 t minus 199. From this equation we'll get the value of t is equal to 133.44 Newton. So first step is over. From this step first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணும், equation 1 divided by equation 2 பண்ணும். So we get the answer of t, and then we need to find the other value, like either v value find out பண்ணும் or s value find out பண்ணும். question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு பார்த்துட்டு நம்ம find out பண்ணும். So in this case first நான் divide பண்ணினேன் இல்லையா, இப்போ ஈக்குவேஷனை நான் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் ஆட் பண்ணினா what I am getting is like left hand side la right hand side la. So v square right hand side la v square vechunta and left hand side la all t and s and all. So s na common ah eduthunta. So s common ah eduthunta 200 minus t plus t. So yes, I'll get a common like this. So na inga enna pannalam, I can cancel this minus t and plus t over here. So 200 minus 100 which is equivalent to 100. Yes nu vandiruchu. Okay, therefore right hand side la I'm getting like this, like 15.295 v square. Therefore v square is equal to 6.54 s nu kadachachu. We need to find a ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க கொஸ்டினில் இல்லையா. ஸோ அதுக்காக நான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்க ஃபார்முலா தான் இது. நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஆல்ரெடி we have three equations like v is equal to u plus at and v square is equal to u square plus 2as and s is equal to ut plus half at square இல்லையா. இந்த மூணு ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸில் you can use either any one of the equation based on your requirement. நம்மளோட requirement என்ன, a இப்போ find out பண்ணும் and we have like v square in my hand. So இந்த formula இந்த value வச்சு I can use this equation. அந்த v equationல substitute பண்ணியாச்சு. like 6.54 into s equal to u நமக்கு 0 னு தெரியும். whenever the system starts from the rest, therefore u is equal to 0 and 2as. Okay, we can cancel s on either side. You'll get 2a equal to 6.54. So from this we can easily find a by dividing 6.54 divided by a போட்டிங்கனா, sorry 2 போட்டிங்கனா, you will get the value of acceleration. Got it? So now the problem is over. So with this I can conclude this session.